Today we're looking at this 2002 BMW 330i. We're going to be replacing the cabin air filter. Here is the VIN number if you're looking for one, or make sure that this vehicle matches yours. First, we need to pop the hood. Of course, you can see there's a lot of vehicles in line to get their cabin air filters done. So make sure you look at my other videos to find one that might suit your needs if this one doesn't. This cabin air filter is real easy to replace and very commonly overlooked as a regular maintenance procedure. You have 3 retaining screws, 2 on either side and 1 right in the center of this here door. This is the door that your cabin air filter is going to be kept under, or that you'll find it under. Pull up on the door and then grab your cabin air filter. Pull the cabin air filter towards you. You can see this one's not that bad. You can purchase a cabin air filter if you use the link in the description below if you need one. They do have a couple styles of filters that filter out different particulates or pollens. To reinstall, make sure you have your cabin air filter facing in the right direction. Place it inside the door right here and it'll fall into its housing. If this doesn't set flush, make sure you double check your work and make sure it sets flush easily. Tighten all 3 screws and you're pretty much all said and done. If this helped you out, make sure you comment below with the year, make, model, and engine size. Maybe these videos right here might help you out as well. Click on those if you'd like. Subscribe while you're here. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next, hopefully helpful video.